Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is a look at the market leading stocks via our proprietary scans for the coming session. This is going to be for Tuesday, November 5th, 2013. We had definitely a couple of pockets of interest today. We're still getting some earnings coming out. Had a lot of volume today in BlackBerry after the announcement of the deal falling through. I've got a downside CPS condition in that. That one had a real weak close after being sloppy all day. Kind of a little bit biased to the sell side here, but not too decisively. First Solar, really good volume again today. Still trying to work on the long side of that one. It was a little gappy this morning and then swept and pulled back before it got up and went. But definitely keep that on your long list. Baidu had a very weak session, more than 2.5% below the day's open. Moving on to the financials. Kind of a mixed bag here. We've got a couple of signals on both sides. Had some good volume again today in the CME. Above average volume in MetLife, but a lot of these things had very light volume. A lot of stocks that weren't really in news or in motion from earnings were very light in volume. The energy patch was pretty active today. Couple of buys here. ACI, very strong day, and BTU, both very strong. So a little bit of a pop in the coal names. Definitely keep those on the radar for tomorrow. As far as the generals go, not seeing too many signals here. We had some good volume today in Dow Chemical. That had a pretty decent candle down. That's a generally low beta stock, but big bar down on the daily there. Housing names were a little bit sloppy. Couple of sell indications here. Nothing on the buy side, but for the most part, volume was fairly light. Transportation names, couple of camouflage sell signals, but not a lot of price movement, as you can see. And finally, onto the commodity names. This is where most of the action was today, as far as volume and price movement goes. The GDX, the gold sector index was up 3% on the day, and look at all the volume bumps here. A lot of volume bumps, and definitely a lot of movement there. Newmont was 3.5% above the day's open. Alcoa had a big move. That's obviously non-gold related, but definitely a lot of things in motion there. So definitely keep an eye on the ags as well as the precious metals for tomorrow's session. All right, folks. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.